Mastering the art of installing ceramic tiles between natural stones. A step-by-step visual guide. Welcome to a detailed and highly informative video tutorial that walks you through the entire process of installing ceramic floor tiles between irregular, natural stones. This technique is perfect for those who want to blend the beauty of rustic stone elements with the modern, clean look of ceramic tiles. Whether you're working on an outdoor patio, garden path, interior rustic floor, or decorative area around a fountain or pool, this method delivers stunning results that are both durable and stylish. In this video, you'll see the entire process from beginning to end, from preparing the base surface with cement and sand, to the precise placement of ceramic tiles between uneven stone formations. The technique shown here is especially useful for projects where natural stones have already been installed or where you're combining different materials for visual impact and functionality. Step 1. Preparing the base between stones. The first step in achieving a successful tile installation between stones is preparing the substrate. In the video, we show how to clean the area between the stones, removing any debris, dust, or unstable materials. Then, we prepare a well-balanced cement and sand mixture that serves as the solid base for our tiles. We demonstrate how to spread and level the mixture, even in narrow or oddly shaped spaces between the rocks. This ensures stability for the ceramic tiles and prevents any future cracking or movement. Step 2. Choosing and cutting the right tiles. The next important step is choosing the appropriate size and thickness of ceramic tiles for the area. In this project, we're using tiles that are strong enough to withstand foot traffic and outdoor exposure. In some cases, you'll need to cut the tiles to fit the irregular spaces between stones. Using a tile cutter or angle grinder, we carefully shape the tiles to match the gaps, curves, or uneven edges created by the stones. The goal is to make sure each tile fits naturally and neatly between the stones, without forcing or breaking them. Step 3. Placing the tiles. Precision and alignment is where attention to detail truly matters. We begin placing the tiles, one by one between the stones, gently pressing them into the cement base. The video shows how to align the tiles so that the surface remains level and consistent. Even when working around irregular shapes, proper spacing is essential. We use simple tools like spacers, strings, or even visual estimation to maintain even spacing between tiles and stones. This helps achieve a harmonious blend of the two materials, where no element looks out of place. Step 4. Pressing and leveling the surface. After all the tiles are placed, the next focus is on ensuring a perfectly level surface. The video shows how to tap the tiles lightly into the mortar base and check their alignment with the surrounding stones. A rubber mallet or a flat leveling tool can be used for this purpose. It's important that the tiles are not too high or too low compared to the stone level. Smooth transitions between stone and ceramic are key for both appearance and safety, especially in walkways or patios where people will be walking barefoot or with shoes. Step 5. Filling the joints and final finishing. Once the tiles are set and the mortar has cured, we move to the final phase, joint filling and cleaning. Using a grout or a cement-based filler, we fill the gaps between the ceramic tiles and the natural stones. This prevents water from seeping underneath and ensures long-lasting durability. The video demonstrates different methods for applying joint filler, depending on the size of the gaps and the materials involved. We also show how to clean the excess grout or cement to leave a clean, polished surface that highlights both the ceramic and the stone. Why this method works so well installing ceramic tiles between stones is not just about looks, it's about creating a strong, blended surface that brings together two very different materials. Stone offers a raw, natural texture, while ceramic adds precision, color consistency, and easy maintenance. This method works beautifully in areas where you want to preserve the natural look, but also require flat surfaces that are easy to clean and comfortable to walk on. It also allows you to use leftover tiles and stones in creative ways, reducing waste and cost. Who is this tutorial for? Tile installers looking to expand their skills, homeowners working on garden or patio, renovation century designers seeking rustic modern aesthetics, constructive workers and masons who want to master mixed material techniques, anyone interested in tile and stone craftsmanship. And though the video contains no verbal commentary, the clear visuals make every step understandable. You'll be able to follow along easily and learn the technique by watching the hands-on process, tool use, and material handling. Tools and materials you'll see in the video: cement and sand mixture, ceramic tile style cutter, or grinder trolls, and levelers rubber mallet joint filler or grout cleaning sponge and bucket spacers. And alignment guides benefits of this technical combination. Rustic and modern design, durable and weather-resistant, low-maintenance customism for any area or shape. Great visual contrast between materials allows creativity with leftover tiles and stones. If you enjoy unique tile work and creative design, this video is a must-watch. You'll gain knowledge, inspiration, and confidence to try this technique in your next project. Whether you're redoing a small garden path or working on a large exterior floor, this method will help you achieve professional, elegant results. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more high-quality tutorials on tile and stonework. We regularly publish videos showing techniques for ceramic tile installation, terrazzo finishing, marble work, and more, all with clear, silent visuals that focus purely on the craft. Watch more on Ighoud Ceramic Tiles, where craftsmanship meets creativity. Advanced tips for installing ceramic tiles between stones. Once you've mastered the basics, there are several advanced tips and techniques that can help take your work to a higher professional level. In this section, we share secrets used by experienced craftsmen to make the installation cleaner, stronger, and more aesthetically pleasing. 1. Dealing with uneven gaps and unusual shapes. Natural stones are never uniform in shape, and the gaps between them can be irregular, curved, or narrow in some spots. One advanced technique is to use cardboard templates to trace the shape of the gap and then transfer that shape to the ceramic tile before cutting. This ensures a better fit and minimizes the need for adjustments on site. Another helpful approach is to lightly mark the tile surface with a pencil or chalk before cutting. Then test the piece dry without cement to confirm the fit before final installation. 2. Tile edge finishing between stones. When placing ceramic tiles between stones, the tile edges may be visible. To improve the finish, you can slightly round the edges with a fine abrasive stone, or use edge polishing pads. This softens the transition between materials and prevents sharp edges that could chip or injure someone walking barefoot. Additionally, you can apply a waterproof sealant or tile protector to the edges before installation to extend the durability of the tile, especially if the area is exposed to water or outdoor weather. 3. Using color contrast or harmony. Depending on your design goals, you can choose ceramic tile colors that either contrast with or match the tone of the surrounding stones. Contrasting colors like white tiles between dark stones make the pattern stand out visually, while similar tones create a harmonious blend that looks natural and elegant. In high-end designs, some professionals even mix tile types such as matte and glossy finishes to play with texture and light reflections between stones. 4. Expansion gaps and movement control. For outdoor areas, it's important to remember that both stones and tiles will expand and contract with temperature changes. To prevent cracking or shifting, consider leaving small expansion joints at intervals, especially for large areas. These joints can be filled with flexible outdoor-grade silicone or expansion filler. If you are working in a humid climate, make sure to use water-resistant adhesives and grout to prevent damage over time. 5. Cleaning and maintenance after installation. Once the installation is complete and the grout has dried, it's important to thoroughly clean the entire surface to remove any haze.
Advanced tips for installing ceramic tiles between stones. Once you've mastered the basics, there are several advanced tips and techniques that can help take your work to a higher professional level. In this section, we share secrets used by experienced craftsmen to make the installation cleaner, stronger, and more aesthetically pleasing. 1. Dealing with uneven gaps and unusual shapes. Natural stones are never uniform in shape, and the gaps between them can be irregular, curved, or narrow in some spots. One advanced technique is to use cardboard templates to trace the shape of the gap and then transfer that shape to the ceramic tile before cutting. This ensures a better fit and